take one 5x7 Christmas card and do this. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Today we're going to do something oh so simple, but oh so cute, and it's inspired by you. So many of you leave comments whenever I say I'm doing a stocking stuffer, and you let me know that you aren't able to do stocking stuffers because you don't have a mantle from which to hang them. But you do actually hang them from your Christmas tree. So you said that you take boxes and little bags and you hang them from the Christmas tree. Well, thanks to your inspiration, that's what today's video is all about. We're going to make stuffers that you can hang from the Christmas tree. You can put these in the stocking as well. However, they are going to be designed for hanging from the Christmas tree, and we're going to use a beautiful Christmas card as our little box. So here's what we're going to be making today. Y'all, I think that this is such a cute idea. So if you have some 5x7 Christmas cards and you want to make a Christmas card box ornament, let's do that today in today's video. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at this. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so here's a closer look at our Christmas ornament. This one actually has a little trinket in it. So it's already sealed and ready to be hung on my tree whenever I put the tree up. The tree is not up for me yet. My tree will probably go up next Wednesday, but I think that this is a great little idea for being able to hang stuffers from the tree. I used some velvet ribbon as well as some little greenery that I took from some ornaments that I was no longer using. I just took these bits and pieces off because I thought I would save them and use them on something else down the road. And here we are down the road. So this starts as a 5x7 card, and when finished, we're going to have a box that is 3.5 by 5 3/4 and 3/4 of an inch deep. So it's really, really cute. You can see how that black velvet ribbon just really helps to accentuate the beautiful simplicity of it all. So here's what I'm going to be using. I have a 5x7 Christmas card, and I have some velvet ribbon. This is 3/8 of an inch, and it's black, and I got this from Michael's. And the cards that I'm using, I got these cards from Ollie's. You get 18 cards and 19 envelopes, and it was $5. And these are some really high quality cards. So just wanted to let you know where I did find these. All right, so let's take your card and open it, and we're going to trim away a little bit of this. So I'm going to trim mine from the back side, and I just want to trim it down to 9 1/4. So I removed a portion of this, and you're going to have a card base that is 9 1/4 by 7. And I trimmed it from the back side, so if you were to fold it, you would see that you have this white edge here. So with it open, go ahead and score at 3/4 of an inch and at 4 1/4. Then let's score at 8 1/2. So those are all of your scores on this side. So on the 9 1/4 inch side, we scored at 3/4 of an inch, 4 1/4, and at 8 1/2. Now let's turn it to the 7-inch side, and for the bottom, we're going to score at 1/2 an inch. And then here at the top, we're going to score at 6 1/4. So on the 7-inch side, we scored at 1/2 an inch and at 6 1/4. And now we just fold and burnish our scores. And if you don't have any cards, you can simply cut a piece of cardstock to 9 1/4 by 7. So now on the back side, we're going to have 2 corner pieces that we need to get rid of. So I am just going to remove these corner pieces. And then I'll go along where I have a score mark, and I'll just do slight angles everywhere that I have a score mark, top and bottom. And I'll just angle that a little bit as well. And then we'll do it along the bottom. So I'll angle here, and then I'll angle everywhere that I have a score mark. Just very slight angles, not anything drastic. So now that we have this piece, y'all, we are ready to put this together. And it's going to go together like this. So I'm going to take my glue, put some glue on my adhesive flap. Then I'll take this and I'm just going to join it to this end, making sure that my score marks are aligned going all the way around. So let's just get that nice and stuck. Then we can open the box. I'll take the bottom, fold in, then I'll add just a little bit of glue, fold that over, and then I'll add just a little glue to this piece and fold over. Now I'm going to stand it up and open it so that I can go in and work my stick. And you don't have to use a box like this for hanging from the tree. You can use it as a candy bar box. You can use it as a Secret Santa gift box that you might hand off to someone. You don't necessarily have to hang this from the tree, but that's how we're using it today. So now I have a Bath & Body Works gift card that I've already wrapped, and I'm putting it in the box, just like this. I'm not going to add any tissue paper. I've just put it in the box, and I will seal these boxes to make them one and done. And I'll put my glue here. This is a real gift, so I am going to seal it. Like this. And then the way that I'm going to mark this for the person who's getting it is I am just going to use an alphabet sticker, and I'll put that alphabet sticker right there in the corner so that when these are on the tree, you'll know which one is yours. And if you have people with the same first alphabet, you can also use stickers to spell out the name if you want. But there's only one E for me, so that E will know that this is theirs. So now I'm going to bring in my ribbon and my scissors, and I'm just going to cut off a piece of ribbon. And this is about a little over 9 inches. And then I'm going to cut off a piece so that I can try to make a bow. I know that I can wrap this around a pencil or something, but I'm just going to do this very quickly. I have my glue gun heating up, and that's what I'll be using to attach all of this. So I'm basically just tying a knot, and then I'll loop. I'll go over and under, and just pull it the way that we would if we were tying our shoes. But then I'm just going to go back and twist this piece so that I have the velvet showing on both sides. So now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just add a little bit of glue right there to make a loop. So I just brought 1/2 of that ribbon over to make a loop. Then I'm going to take that loop and I'm going to add just a little bit of glue because now I want to fold this over so that I can have a flattened piece at the bottom like this. So you can see I have this little tail that I have flattened, and then I have the loop part here. So I'm going to take this piece, the flattened piece, and I'll put it on top and glue it down. Now you might have another way that you do this. This is actually my first time doing it, so I might be taking the long way around something simple. And I'm going to put it there, and then it'll be able to be pulled up like this, but I need to give that a moment to dry. And while it's drying, I can take my bow, I'll add a little glue to the bow, and then I'll take that bow and we're going to put it right there. And then I'm going to add just a little glue to the back of that ribbon so that I can then make sure that the bow is sitting up right, the way that I want it. And let's just hold that. And now I can take my little piece here and put it on. Like I said, these are pieces that I actually took from some old ornaments, and I just decided I would save them, so I put them in a box. So I'm just going to take these and put it on like that. And I just think that that is so cute. So now I can take my scissors, trim, and trim. And there we have our second one. Y'all, I think that this is just so stinking cute and so simple. And thank you to all of you who suggested that I give this a try, because without your suggestion, I never would have tried this. I've always used my stocking stuffers, but I can see hanging a few of these from the tree and just adding that little pop of something to my tree in the form of hanging stuffers. You can do this with little bags. You can even do it with just the little greeting cards and add a loop to the back and hang it from the tree. I think that these are absolutely stinking cute. Don't you just love how these turned out? I know that I do, and I think that they will make a great addition to my tree. And if I wanted to put them in a stocking, I could, but why would I want to? These are just adorable, and they will look great hanging from my Christmas tree. So if you've done this, leave me a comment and let me know if you've done it in bags, boxes, or how you've done it. If you think you might want to do this now, leave me a comment below as well and let me know what you'll be using for hanging stuffers on the tree. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that we can use 5x7 greeting cards, Christmas cards, to make hanging stuffers for our Christmas trees in case we don't have a mantle, or we're not able to hang stockings, or we don't have stockings. But if you did enjoy this video, and I certainly hope that you did, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it, y'all. And I would love to have you become a part of my channel. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload another awesome video. As always, my beautiful handcrafty friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.